We made it camping. I just brought the kids down to the beach. That way they're not in the way of Papa trying to park the trailer.
Oh, is that your car or?
It's my car. Hey, we can put Godzilla.
Godzilla?
Yeah, and it's going to and he has to try to destroy the building. Bury him. Oh, can we go in the water with our feet?
No.
Can we go in the water with our feet? I mean,
Yeah, go see if it's cold, but don't get all wet yet. Okay, guys. Kids have already found some friends playing grounder now.
No cold pandas. Yeah, you can. Me.
Are you? Yeah, when it gets dark, we'll make a fire.
Hey guys! The campfire.
You gotta wait for it to get dark.
Okay.
After supper. Then we'll make the campfire.
The night lights are, I mean the outlets aren't working.
None of the outlets? None. Figure it out.
You have to ramp it to
No, David, that big stick is Anthony's from the beach. So that's gotta go up here, honey, not in the fire pit. I know, but that's Anthony's. What are you doing, Trayton? Are you collecting little bits of wood for your fire?
Yeah, and I made and I found a feather.
You found a feather?
It's from a seagull.
From a seagull?
Yes.
Whoa.
Seagulls are way pooper than look, jack-o'-lanterns.
Yes, because Halloween's coming.
So we have to make them.
Not yet, honey, not yet. It's not time yet.
Hey, Yaya. Me super duper scary. You're only one.
Okay, you make a scary story.
Angel, I can barely see you over there. Wave. There's our bonfire. And the kids are telling scary stories.
I'm sleeping on top of a bunk bed. Look.
Yeah, you're on the top bunk. Angel, I can't see you. It's too dark down there.
And I am bottom too late for laser. Did you see
Yeah, there's Gabby down there. Oh, I can barely see you. Let's see if we turn on some more lights. There we go, a little bit better. There's Angel. And
You
Gabby.
don't to be tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow.
Do you like my shirt?
Yeah, you're too dark down there, Angel. You're all the way in the corner.
I'm Easter Bunny.
Did you say, we're in the trailer?
We're in the trailer. This is kind of scary. You think spider to walk right through and eat you.
No.
Why?
No.
Nobody. There's a window sill. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that button. Hit that bell button. Hit that bell button. And subscribe to our channel.
All right. Okay, get up in the bed. Get in your beds.
Hit the bell button for you to get a notification and subscribe. Bye.
Okay. Okay, lay down. Say goodnight. Okay.
Night.
All right, get on your pillow.
And lay tape it on.
Okay, go.
Bye. Turn off the light.
All right, I want to go ahead and end the video now. I've got to get these kids off to bed, and we will see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
What are you playing, Trayton? You playing Sonic?
I love it. I love what's this? Flying the brain. No game. Can I try? No game. No damage. No damage.
How do I do this?
I'm going to be a gunner.
Guys.
I'm going.
All the kids are sleeping except for you.
Oh, guys, see that chain. Look at that chain.
Hey, all the kids are sleeping. You're the only one awake.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
It's gonna be
I think you should do this one. I don't know how to.
Yeah. Oh,